Hello, crafty friends. This is Amy. Welcome. This is a cute little paper pack that I have, and I am offering a few of these on Etsy. And I'm going to be choosing one of these papers to use for my next craft that you'll see shortly. Just showing you how cute they are. I believe there's 12 pages. They're double-sided and you get one of each, and I'm a little sad about that because there's some of them it's like, oh, I like that side, well, I like the other side too, and I wonder why do they do that. They make us choose. I know if we had them in a scrapbook paper you wouldn't have to, or in a book you wouldn't have to, but when you craft with them you only get one side. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to choose one. And this is just a thing at Dollar Tree I got, and I could just very easily scratch off these words. And I just wanted to use the frame and the glass. Now I have chosen, I went with the chicken wire. It's super cute. And I'm just going to cut that to fit. And using a little hot glue to make sure that it stays in place. This is a cute little metal chicken I got at Dollar General for $1. And it's something you can hang, so obviously I'm taking that hanger off, or the wire. And I was going to just put that on there, but I wanted to add a few more things, so I chose out of the sticker pack. There's one sticker pack in this, or sticker sheet I should say. Put that on the top. And then going to use one of the stickers just to put over the top of the chicken. And I had to do something with those holes in the top of the head and everything, so then I just put some black paper behind it. So here we're just putting some glue down. And then I never did really finish up the back with anything. A person could put some, some kind of a paper, a white paper, or whatever you wanted, just to kind of cover up the image. And I didn't like Farm Shop, so I put this cute little sticker on there. And now I'm going to be putting some black paper just to cover up those holes. I wasn't sure, what to do. I mean, they're still there, the holes are there. Maybe I should have filled them in, but just putting the paper seemed to be enough to just take away that gap, that you don't see, and you can't see it anyway. So I'm using a two-step. There's the permanent long-term hold, the E6000, and then I'm going to put some hot glue. That'll give it immediate bond, but over time it could release, and so that's why I went with the E6000. It's just a good technique to use, and I don't mix the two. I've heard from others that it doesn't work as well if you do kind of mix them. I really don't know, but I just don't go with it. Didn't that just turn out really cute? This is like my favorite. So cute and so farmhouse looking. I sure wish they had more of that paper, but I do have a few scraps, so I can use, I didn't end up using the whole piece. It's a 12 by 12, so I'll be able to use a little more of the leftovers. On to DIY number 2. This is a cute little pot my daughter gave me for Easter, and I think she told me, she even gave me some seeds to plant, and I thought, okay, this will be fine, I will try. I am just terrible when it comes to plants and flowers. They just don't live. And so you'll see what I end up putting on this little pot. But this is like an ombre technique. This first one's got less of the paint. The second one has got a little more of the color, the blue agave, I think it was agave color. And then the third's got even a little more of the color. And then there's just a tiny strip on the bottom that I went with just solid, the regular agave paint. But I'm just gonna do, it's not a blended ombre look, but it's just kind of a layered ombre look, and nothing is, precise. We want it to look messy, and I think I did an okay job of making things look messy. So I want to thank you for stopping in. We got a couple more fun ones coming right up here, and I sure did have fun making these. If you enjoy crafting, it's a great hobby, isn't it? I just highly recommend it. Anytime you can. Painting, I think painting does that. It just kind of brings out, all this, I can't talk either. Just when you can be yourself and just let it flow. I just think that that's probably where I'm getting all this happiness from. Now I let this all dry, and I was looking up some cute little plant sayings, and I thought, here's one. I will survive, but maybe I won't, because I can't guarantee anything. I am not a green thumb. So I put some fake ones in there. They'll survive. I will plant those seeds that my daughter gave me, and we will give it a try. Hopefully we can make them work. We did have some good luck with some flowers outside, and they were so easy to care for. Anything indoors, though, I just don't do so well with. Let's move on to the third DIY. So I had cut out one of the pieces of that paper pack, and now I'm just using the pool color and going to paint inside. And if you didn't notice, this is the lid to the last project I had used the bottom. Well, I'm going to use the lid to that today, and it works perfectly in a 2 or 3 tiered tray. And just dotting out a little white, put the pool color on the inside. And it's neat with paper packs, you can take the colors that the manufacturer's already done and pull out, okay, I want to really accent the blue. So I went with the pool color that matched it. It happened to, kind of go with that pool or the blue theme or whatever. And so I went with that, and it just kind of went together. So it kind of pulled out the blue. I could have went with red. I could even went with white or the other colors in there, like a yellow. And you can see how things would really enhance as you pulled out a different color on there. It'd really make it look different. The red didn't look like a true red, and that's why I kind of went with that blue. I just thought it'd be really cute. And last but not least, DIY number 4. Okay, this is a large pickle jar. My daughter, they must really like pickles in that house. She had 2 of them, so I took them. And I want to make a lemonade jar. And I kind of had a vision, and I ended up spray painting the whole thing white. And I just kind of went with it. I had, an idea, and then honestly, I would have wanted to not spray the whole thing white, but this is how I went with it. I'm going to take this yellow from these Arteza acrylic paints. If you buy these through me, you can get 10% off. You can purchase once a month, and it's forever. Anyway, I had cut out some stuff from the Cricut, and I put the lettering on top of that. And now I'm sponging over the entire thing, and I'm going to remove the tape and the vinyl. And then what's underneath is going to be that white that I had spray painted. Now in hindsight, I would have just only did where the lettering was, and I'd have left the jar as is, because I thought it'd be very pretty to see the lemonade. But I guess it just, I don't know. I didn't remember that as I was doing it. And then I'm just going to put in a little stripe. And a few more stripes would have been really cute, but I only ended up getting one done. I needed to get this video done and out to you all. Thank you all for your encouraging words. And I have been feeling a whole lot better about things, and I'm going to carry on because I have got so much ideas and I have so much fun with this. You take care, my friends, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.